Hello guys, this is Tyler here, and hello peoples out there. Why am I trying to be British? And why am I still on this screen? I'm gonna get off there. Today, this is the MLG of all. MLG Bird 420. YOLO. Powered by Unity. Sample. Tap. It says swipe up, but tap.
Damn, son.
I really suck at this game.
Damn, son.
See? I mean, I got 115 because I was right-handed.
No one has ever done that.
Well, I've done that.
Practical nuke incoming. Damn, son.
Okay, so I saw PewDiePie play this, and I tried to play it on the computer, but I didn't, actually on my tablet or the computer, but I didn't find it. So, but I actually finally found the game on here. I finally found it. And I was so excited. I think this is the best game ever right now on here. Okay, good, the music turned off. So yeah, this is the best game ever on here. I mean, seriously, I'm a big fan of MLG. I have a little poster thing I drew. It has Illuminati at the top and Mountain Dew sign, a Dorito, and a nope scope, and a sniper rifle scope, zoom in, for the nope scope. And I have Sanic, my buddy Sanic. I kind of did a mess up on Sanic. Only his mouth is supposed to be like a skin color. And like, not his whole face. I did his whole face though. So yeah, let's get started on this amazing game. So yeah, it's really loud. And I don't know if I'm too loud. We Oh! Sanic is the best. Sanic, I love you. Thank you so much. No! Freaking, those Mountain Dews are killing me. Literally. Woo! I don't know who you are. You just popped out randomly. But what? Did I click on it? You know what? I'm gonna get a new hat. I had to watch a stupid video though. I'm gonna get my original hat, yellow. Or a boy. Since I'm a boy, I'm gonna get the boy one. Actually, no. So much to choose from. I want the pink hat, the panda hat, the yellow hat, the boy hat. Actually, no. I'm getting the first one. Swag. I thought it said something else. Okay, there. I thought that swag hat, the blue one, that very first one, I thought it said something else. I don't know what it said, but it says swag, so I'm gonna get it. This game is creepy. Look at their big heads. Nasty. This game is weird. Oh, so weird. Look at their heads. So creepy. Ugh. This game is nightmares. Nightmares forever. Ugh.
Damn, son. Where'd you find this?
Morgan Freeman, shut up. I don't know where I found it. I don't even know what you're talking about. So, how I got 115, so I was doing right-handed, only right-handed, not two hands, so I'm just going to do that. Only right-handed. One-handed, right-handed. There. Okay. Sanic. Whoa. Hey, Sanic.
Damn,
Oh,
son.
frick. I almost had that Mountain Dew I tried to get. And nose. I'm doing my nose.
Damn, son.
Actually, I'm going to try and do my nose. Oh, crap. This is horrible. I'm doing it with my nose. Whoa!
Damn, son. Damn, son.
Oh my god.
Damn, son.
Okay, I'm not gonna do that anymore because I'm getting breath all over my screen. Yeah! MLG, Sonic.
Damn,
Oh my god! Every time after Sonic, I just die. Illuminati! Get, nope, go. Oh! Hey, Sonic, what's up?
Damn,
No!
son.
Freaking 89, really? It's awesome. If I get 100, I'm gonna end. If I get 100, I'm gonna end this video.
Damn, son.
Nope, scope. Yeah. Okay, bye, guys. No, I'm just kidding. Mwah. I kissed Shank because she's awesome.
Damn, son.
No one has ever done that. Well, I freaking did.
Damn, son.
This game is awesome.
Damn, son.
Oh my god, shut up. Oh, there we go.
Damn,
Oh my
son.
god. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the music to turn off so I can talk. Oh my god, come on, hurry up. Okay, there we go. So, that was a waste of time. Yeah, wait, am I recording? Okay, yeah, I am actually. Hold on. Okay, I'm recording. Okay, so, what was I gonna say? Frick, after all that time, I forgot what I said. Dang it.
Damn, son.
Okay, so,
Damn, son.
oh my god. I suck at this game so bad. This is my game face. This is my game face. No! Dang it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video right there. Goodbye, guys. I mean, what the frick? What kind of outro was that? Goodbye, guys. And
Damn, son.
hush. Oh yeah, I know what I was gonna say. So, okay, so I'm gonna wait for this freaking music to turn off. Oh my god, frick it. So I'm gonna end that video right there. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna end that video right there. So I tried to do this video 1,000 times. I finally got it. I think. So, fireball!